This is how to constantly make profitable trades on the Bybit app, trading the futures market. It is a simple strategy called AMD. Now, what is AMD? AMD simply stands for accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. I'm going to illustrate it on the chart before I show you the setup on the chart. I'm going to illustrate it first for you before I show you the setup on the chart. Now, this is a typical illustration of what AMD looks like. You have a trend of ranging market. Market keeps on accumulating, forming equal highs and equal lows. Then all of a sudden, this phase is called the accumulation phase. Now, all of a sudden, it's manipulated down and then comes back up to take out the high that caused the manipulation. And it makes a move just like this before going up. Can you see? This is it. This is the accumulation phase. This is where it accumulated. Now, this is where the manipulation happened. When the big whales stepped in the market, they manipulate the market, making traders to feel like the market wants to dump, but eventually move the market to the upside. Now, the price takes out the high, the previous high that caused the manipulation, and then it distributes up. Can you see it? It's just a rough illustration of what AMD looks like. Now, let me show you the setup on the chart with the candlesticks. Now, look at it. I traded this pair. I even gave it on my Telegram group, all in massive profit. Now, this is what I'm talking about. You can see price started ranging from here, making equal lows and equal highs. This is the accumulation phase. Now, let me draw the support line. Can you see it? I should draw a more better line. Something like this. Can you see it? It started making equal lows, thereby accumulating, ranging within the upper side and the lower side. Now, all of a sudden, this happened. This is the manipulation. This is the manipulation. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is what? This is where the manipulation occurred. It dumps and it took out all the liquidity here. This is the manipulation. That is where the manipulation occurred. Now, you have to wait. The moment you see price comes back and trades above the high that led to the manipulation. Now, that is when you know that this AMD setup is complete. What you have to do next is to wait for price to retrace down, just like this. Sometimes it happens, it retraces down. Sometimes it may not even retrace down. It may just retrace a little bit and distributes. Now, in the case of this pair, it retraces a little bit, and then this is where the distribution happened. This is the distribution. Can you see now? This is a simple strategy that you can watch this video again, practice with it, and master it. You can use this strategy to make $50, $100 every single day. Now, this is another example, another good example of what I'm trying to say. Look at it. The market was ranging. You can see the accumulation right here. Let me draw the line. I don't want this video to be long. You can see the line. This is a good example of what I'm saying. Now, this is the point where it's manipulated. This is the manipulation. This is the what? This is the manipulation. It induces traders. It induces traders to feel like the market wants to dump. Now, it is not complete until it comes back to take out the high that led to the sell-off of the manipulation. Can you see it? Can you see it? You can see the accumulation around here. You can see making equal lows and making equal highs, or just accumulating around, ranging around that area. Then manipulated, took out all the liquidity around here, then comes back, trades above the high. This high, it has to do all this before it's confirmed to be an AMD. Took out the high of the manipulation. Look at it when it trades above it. Then what happened? It pumped from there. It didn't even retrace. That's why I say sometimes it may not give that deeper retracement. It may just retrace a little bit and then pumps up. I hope you guys learn something from this video. It's a simple strategy called AMD strategy: accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. I use this strategy every single day to make about $50 to $100 and more every single day. Now, the same thing goes also when the market is about to sell. The same thing happens when the market is about to what? When the market is about to sell. Now, this is what it looks like when the market is about to sell. You know, it ranges, making accumulating, accumulating, making equal highs and lows, making equal highs and then lows. Just accumulation. You will see price making a series of support lines. They won't happen. The market manipulate as if it wants to go up. Then it comes back and took out that low that led to the manipulation. The moment it takes out the high and the low, all you need to do is to wait for a quick sharp retracement like this, like it retraces down like this, and then it retraces up like this or like this. Then you sell the market. Can you see? It's a very simple strategy. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment. I need your comments, I need your likes, and subscribe. Going to be dropping more bangers like this. One love, guys. Peace out.